Hello, our students. How are you? Grateful. I'm Miss Fatima Naصيف. Our lesson for today will be might. Okay? Unit 11. So open your pupils book, page 113. At first, we talk about might. GH silent letters. Okay? Now, let's start. Grammar in conversation. What's the score? 2-0. Is your team winning? No, they are losing. Oh dear, there's still time. They might win. They might win. Okay, not a chance. They might score 3 goals. They might score. I don't think so. Oh, the referee's blowing his whistle. It's all over. Well, they might win their next match. They might win. They might win. And they might not. Okay, today we'll talk about might. So what's the meaning of might here? Yes, look at this. Might at first, GH silent letters. Okay? What's the meaning of might? It means possible that something will happen. Possible that something will happen. Perhaps yes and perhaps no. For example, it might rain. So at first, where is the subject? It plus might plus verb. And this verb is base. Example number 2. They might win. What is the subject? Yes, they. Plus might plus verb. When is verb. This verb is base form. Okay? Okay, now the question is, can we put the verb winning? No. Can we say they might win? No. Can we say they might wins? And no. They might win. Yes, just. They might win. And the verb is just base form. Okay? Okay. Now we want to change this sentence into negative. Into negative? Yes. It might rain. Again. It might rain. Subject plus might plus verb. It might not rain. It might not rain. This is the negative. Now we want to change this sentence into question. How can we change this sentence into question? By change the places. Okay, it might rain. Might it rain? This is the question. Okay, so this is, here we can say this is the question. Okay, another example. They might win. They might not win. This is the negative. Yes, excellent. Might they win? This is the question. Okay, now open your pupil workbook, please. Workbook, okay, page 105. Okay, at first we write here might, and we can put the rule subject plus might and the plus verb. Okay, now let's start. Grammar in conversation. Question number 1, change the sentences, use might. Perhaps it will rain. It might rain. Yes. Perhaps we'll go to the mall. We might go to the mall. You can write it. Okay? Number 3. Perhaps Joe will buy a computer. Joe might. We omit will here. Okay? Joe instead of will, might. Joe might buy a computer. Now, number 4. Perhaps the boys will play football. The boys might, instead of will, might play football. This is question number 1. Now, question number 2. Write questions for these answers, okay? Number 1. Yes, they might have a party. Might they have a party? And put a question mark, because this is a question. Number 2. Yes, Grandpa might go to England. Okay, might Grandpa go to England? and put a question mark. Okay. Number 3. Yes, Mom might buy a new car. Might. Mom buy a new car? Yes. You know, we just change the places here. Might, we start with might and then we put the subject. Okay, number 4. Yes, the girls might go swimming. Might the girls go swimming? Okay. Where is the verb here? Have, go, buy, go. All of these verbs are base verbs. Okay. Now, exercise number 3. Okay, let's continue. Change the sentences, use not. Now we have here negative, okay? So number 1, we might go to the beach. We might not go to the beach. Number 2, Kevin might become a doctor. Kevin might not become a doctor. Number 3, the boys might sleep in the tent. The boys might not sleep in a tent. Number 4, the girls might like that film. The girls might not like that film. We just put night here. Might not. Might not. Okay? Here we can write might not. This is the negative. Okay? Now exercise number 4. What might happen? At first, we put the rule here at first in a rectangle. Subject plus might plus verb. And the verb should be base form. Okay. We have 3 pictures. Number 1, the bird might fly. Subject, might, verb. Picture 2, the cat might eat the mouse. The cat subject, might plus verb. Okay, number 3, the clown might fall down. This is clown subject plus might plus verb. Okay, boys, let's go to the booklet. Okay, you can open your booklet now, please. Open your booklet, page 21. Here, yes, this is the lesson. Our lesson talk about might here. Okay, page 21. Okay, at first this is subject, might, verb in base. He might go to the beach. Number 2, she might not fall. This is the negative, okay? Negative, it means we use not. Reorder the words. This is A, okay? Reorder the words to form meaningful sentences. Now we have words. A walk, dinner, go, for, he, after, might. He might, subject, plus might, plus the verb. He might go for a walk after dinner. Number 2, watch together, overcome, might, and a movie, we. Where is the subject? Okay, yes, we. But we can start with come over together and we. Now here. Here is we, subject, plus might, plus the verb watch a movie. Okay. B. Rewrite these sentences by using might. Number 1, it's 9:30 and Jack feels tired. It's 9:30 and Jack, okay, might, we put after the subject, we put might here. After might, we put the verb feel, but not feels, okay? This is wrong, like this. Feel tired. So number 2, Sarah has some money and she is at a clothing store. Sarah has some money and she might. At the subject, might. She might. And here, be at clothing store. Okay? Because this is base. We don't say is. Number 3. It's cold outside. But James isn't wearing a jacket. It's cold outside, but James, okay, here. Might not. We put not because here we have isn't here. Okay? After isn't, wearing, and this is wrong, we put just wear. Okay? James might not wear a jacket. So we finished now this page and this lesson talk about might. Again, we can say at last. What's the meaning of might again? It's possible that something will happen. Yes. Can you write some sentences with might, please, in your notebook? Please, this is homework for you, and thank you for your listening, boys.